And founder and director of Inspire Institute of Sports, Parth Jindal, who is also one of the sponsors of Olympics 2024, says that he has a lot of confidence in the Olympic-bound Indian contingent and he will continue to bring the talent to the front from grassroots level. We had an exclusive conversation with him. Take a listen. We have with us Mr. Parth Jindal, who's created benchmark when we talk about giving opportunities from the grassroots level to the athletes. So once again, the Indian contingent is all set. How much of a confidence do you have in the current contingent?
No, I think this is going to be a very historic games for India at Paris. Not only is India going with one of its largest contingents, I think now Indians are challenging for medals across various disciplines. So I am very confident that India will better the tally that we had in Tokyo, and hopefully I'm very hopeful that we cross the double-digit mark and we can hear Jana Gana Mana hopefully more than once this time in Paris.
And when we talk about this increased number of medals and the hope, JSW has been doing a lot right from the grassroots level. What more do you want to achieve in the field of development?
No, I think under the Prime Minister and under the Khelo India and the top scheme, grassroots development has got a lot of support from the government of India. But we believe that the private sector can play a very important role, and at JSW we want to lead the way and do work alongside the government of India. So in public-private partnership is going to be a cornerstone of all the work that we do. Today we have 6 centers across the country. We train more than 6,000 athletes every single day, and more than 25 athletes from our Inspire Institute of Sport are going to be part of the Indian contingent in Paris. And we've just started. Our tagline is Rukna Nahi Hai, and we want to make sure that we continue to do great work across all the sports and make India proud in every Olympic Games.
All right, so there you heard from Mr. Jindal himself, who says that we have to make proud and Rukna bilkul bhi nahi hai. With camera person Uttam, this is Deepika reporting for DD India from New Delhi. Now, Indian